A ship travels 40 miles due east and then changes direction. When the ship has traveled 30 miles of this heading, it is 56 miles from its point of departure. Describe the bearing from point B to point C in the figure. And that note on there is for me. It told me I need to draw the figure for you because it was supposed to be on there and I didn't put it. I couldn't get it to draw on there correctly, so I just said I would draw it. All right, so he's going 40 miles due east. That's not very due east, is it?
What?
Still not. Quit hating on my drawing. Anyways, we're going to pretend that's east, okay? It keeps doing the same thing. It's got to be the angle I'm at. There we go. All right. And then he changes direction. So he's going to go this direction. All right. So it says that he went 40 miles due east. Changes direction. When he's traveled 30 miles at this heading, it is 56 miles from his point of departure. So that means from where he started to where he ended is 56. So we're going to call where he changed point B, and where he ended then is point C. All right, what am I after? The bearing from point B to C. So I'm after that little angle right there. Now, how did he get from B to C? What direction did he go? He went from the north towards the east. So all we need to do is find that little angle. How?
Well, you could find the big angle.
Good.
Well, you could find the top angle, and then you could find the outside of that angle, and then you could minus 90.
I think there might be an easier way.
Okay. You could use the formula.
To find what?
Angle B.
Okay, yeah, what if I find the big angle B right there? Using my formula. And then what can I do?
Subtract 90.
Subtract the 90 that I don't need right there. Good, so I agree. So let's find angle B. So all I have is sides, correct?
Yeah.
So I'm going to have to use my law of cosines.
Yeah. Alternate cosine of B equals a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac.
Alright, so go ahead and label your sides to make it easier.
And they'll be up there. I don't really stuff.
And so it's a squared plus c squared minus b squared. Uh-oh, I wrote the wrong thing. There we go. Minus b squared over 2 times a times c. Alright, so go find me angle B. Alright, so we got 105 point, help me. 37. But now remember, that's the big angle B, correct? How are we going to find our directional bearing angle there? Subtract out that 90, and what do we get? 15.37. So my bearing from point B to point C is going to be north, going 15.37 degrees towards the east.